Hi, welcome to another video. I had somebody request that I show step-by-step how to take the door panel off. So in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to take the door panel off of this 89 Chevy truck. Should be pretty much the same for most late 80s, early 90s Chevy trucks. These are the tools you're going to need for this: a ratchet, a flathead screwdriver, a 10mm socket, and I find that an extension helps. So one of the first things you're going to want to do is take these little tabs out with a flathead screwdriver. And do the same to the other side. Underneath the tabs there are these small 10mm bolts. And the next step is there are a bunch of plastic clips on the underside of the door panel. They go all the way along, under, and back up. So you're going to want to pop all those out. As you can see, there are all of these little clips. There are a couple up here, and more down the side. Once you have those all unclipped, this here pops out. You do not need to take these off. That's the last step. The next part is where a lot of people think that maybe they forgot something. Because the next step is to pull up on the door, and it will pop up from this ledge here. But you have to put a lot of force in it. I know it feels like something's gonna break, but it's not. As long as you have all of the clips popped out, just really muscle that up. It will click. It'll obviously be noticeable whenever it comes up off that ledge. And then you can just slide this here through the door panel. I'm not going to actually take it off today because it's been really cold out and I don't want to snap all of the clips around here. I was going to warm it up so that I could pop all those out so it wouldn't be so cold and it wouldn't snap. But the truck won't start today. So yeah. Don't worry about this here, this doesn't need to come out. I know I didn't actually take the door panel off for you, but the steps are there. It's pretty simple. It's just that last part, whenever you have to lift up, it's gonna feel like there's something still attaching the door panel to the door itself. But there isn't, you just gotta put some force into it. So yeah, that's going to be all for today's video. If it helped you out, give it a like, subscribe, it would help out a lot. And I'll see you in the next one. One more thing, if you have any requests with any of the vehicles that I own currently, there's an 89 Chevy, which is what we're working on now, the 2002 PT Cruiser, and a 2008 Ford Fusion. If you have anything you'd like to see done on any of those, let me know in the comments and I'll probably get back to you with it. Alright, thank you for watching.